Hey everybody, this is the Fibonacci Princess, Tammy, from the Fibonacci room here at Simpler Trading. I just wanted to have a look here at Murphy Oil. I personally have stock in Murphy Oil in my account and in my daughter's account. I have an account for both of my daughters, and I like to buy stock and just put it in their account. And of course, I have really enjoyed this ride up here on Murphy. I have my stepfather to thank for that. It was his idea for me to buy it a very, very, very long time ago, when it was very low. I can't remember how low I got it, but it was very low, and I have been doing very well in it. And then recently we've had this quite a big pullback here compared to all of these other small ones that we've had here on the way up recently. So I started to get a little bit nervous, and I wanted to look and see, where is my last, where am I going to ditch if this goes beyond this point? And I made this chart yesterday and saw this cluster, and this is what I had decided was my last ditch effort here, $11.72 to $11.80. This does have some symmetry in it, and then it does have a lot of other retracements from previous swings here. So we have bounced. We've bounced twice now, yesterday and today. If the low is in place, then you are going to have some resistance at 1420 to 1428 on the way up. Of course, with a target of this swing at 1703, and then a second target at 1849. Please be a cautious bull. One thing that I do like is we are right on top of that 200 and that 50 here, in addition to being on top of that cluster. So that's all I have for you for now. I hope y'all are having a wonderful week, and I will talk to all of you soon. Thank you. Oh, you know what I didn't look for? Let's look and see if we've got any triggers, actually. Sorry. Let's look real quick and see if we've got a 15-minute trigger. So we do have a 15-minute trigger off of that cluster, so it is good for a swing trade. We may even have a 30-minute trigger. Let's look and see. Not quite yet. We have not triggered on a 30-minute trigger yet, but we have triggered on a 15-minute, and that's good enough for a swing trade. So don't forget your zone of risk, and also don't forget you have that resistance on the way up. All right, everybody. Have an awesome evening. Talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.